Hey guys, welcome to ZackAnna tutorial. This is Zakir, and today I'm going to introduce a new function of stdio.h library. This is called Scanf. The function of Scanf is that it gets a value from the user and use it in your program. So whatever you will give an option to the user to enter its value. For example, we are using integer type in here. We have a variable. We are just declaring the variable without any value. And we have another variable y. Okay. We just, all right. Let me declare a new variable area because we need to find the area of a triangle. Okay. So I'm printing a text on the screen to the user. Enter, sorry, enter values for x and y. Okay. And now I'm getting the values from the user. And as I said earlier, I'm using the scanf function. It's one of the functions of the library, of this library. Okay, so how to use it? I'm going to write the type of the data I'm using, which is integer, so %d, %d. I'm getting two variables from the user, x and y. Okay, now I have to give reference that what is the first d for and what is the second d for. So the first d is for x. I'm using and x and y. Okay, so this is a character. It gives address to your variable, and you have to. So the first one is for this x, and the second is for one is for y. Okay, now I am initializing the definition of area, which is x times y, and ends with semicolon. Okay, now it's gonna print the function, print our result. Okay, so the area is percent d because we have the type of area is integer, so we are using percent d in here. A new line just for the clarity, and a reference to what do I mean by the percent d or which variable, and return 0. Okay, so I'm going through this thing again. The scanf function, it gives a value for x and y, and it stores the first value, which is percent %d, in x variable, the second in y variable. After that, after getting the value from the user, it will go to this line, the line 10, area equal to x star y. It means the value the user has entered will be multiplied with the other value the user has entered, and then you will get the result of the function on your screen. Let's execute it. Okay, no errors. So it's asking me to enter values for x and y. I'm entering 5 and 6. So I got the area is 30. So it just multiplied the 30. What if I enter 2.5 and 6? I'll get 136, which is way, way, way different. Okay, so I have to change the type of the data I have entered, which is, I'm going to change it to float. Actually, to be on the safe side, you should use the float thing. The float type. The float type is quite convenient, and it gets, okay, to change the percent d everywhere. Okay, yep, no errors. Point 1.3. Okay, now run it. Okay, I'll enter the same values, 2.5 and 6. Now I'll get 15.000, which is the required result. Okay, so what are the possible errors you can make? If you skip this end thing in here, end character, and you run it, okay, you will get the window. But if you enter some number, you will get this error. And you will always get this error. So you have to write this thing, this ampersand. Okay, I hope it's working now. 4.2 and 8.40. Alright guys, thanks for watching and please do subscribe to our channel.